At number 1, we have the PurSteam ScrubMaster. This is the best steam mop you can get when comparing it on price to performance. It stands out for its dual scrubbing head, which features rotating power pads that effortlessly tackle stubborn dirt and grime, leaving floors polished and spotless. This makes it an excellent choice for deep cleaning without requiring harsh chemicals, ideal for households with children or pets. The adjustable steam settings allow you to tailor the power to different surfaces, from delicate hardwood to durable tile, ensuring safe and effective cleaning across various floor types. One of its standout features is the inclusion of 2 LED headlights, which illuminate hidden dust and dirt in dark corners or under furniture, ensuring no spot is left untouched. The anti-slip swivel head enhances maneuverability, allowing smooth navigation around obstacles while maintaining stability during use. Additionally, the mop's ergonomic design includes a convenient upright lock and cable holder for easy storage. With a large 13.5-ounce water tank, the ScrubMaster minimizes interruptions by allowing longer cleaning sessions. It preheats in about 30 seconds, making it quick to start. The natural power of steam not only cleans but also sanitizes surfaces effectively. So that sums up my top 5 steam mops. I hope you